So, in St. Oh, natakot ako. I was so scared. Hello everyone! So, today's the day that the 3 surviving medieval gates here in Basel will be open to public. And I'm so excited to see what's inside. Because these gates have been here or existed since the 15th century. And yeah, so let's see what's inside. So first stop, the Spalentor. Nanginig ng sobra yung kamay at mga binti ko. I was like because it was so high and the stairs are wooden and a bit slippery. Well, I'm just wearing flip-flops. So I'm done with the Spalentor. Now we're off to the next one. So we are now in front of St. Johanns Tor. So in St. Oh, natakot ako. I was so scared. Look. I was just entering one of the rooms here in St. Johanns Tor, and that's the first thing I saw. But the first room, or the first door, like the first floor in this tower, is turned into a restaurant. And I'm not sure about this room, but maybe it's an extension. Is this for free? Oh, okay. Free. top floor. And you can see there's a bell. There's a bell. And so that's St. Johanns Tor, and we had some free chocolates. I took like one of each flavor. It is like, how many? 6. Not bad. It's like there's not a lot of people going here. I don't know why. So I'm now off to the last one. So we are now in the last tower, and it's over here. I'm just grateful to have this opportunity, this chance to see what's inside, and I really enjoyed this event. And actually my favorite is St. Alban Tor, this tower over here. Well, let me know in the comments below which tower or city gate is your favorite.